TradeTools believes in providing our customers with trade quality products. That's why our Renegade Industrial Wheel Barrows are built right here in Queensland, so we can ensure consistent quality and workmanship. We offer a range of wheelbarrows in both poly and steel. No matter the job, we have the solution for you. Our wheelbarrows offer a 200 kilogram load capacity to help you tackle those small or big jobs, and they also feature shock boards for added support. Quality control is important to us. That's why our build team are assembly experts, which helps us to ensure a quality build every time. In this video, we are looking at the heavy-duty steel barrow. However, our range of wheelbarrows are all built on site. Let's take a behind-the-scenes look at the wheelbarrow assembly process. So when you need a reliably built wheelbarrow, you know we have you covered. Pick up a Renegade Industrial Wheelbarrow today. Available in store and online at TradeTools.com. And don't forget to sign up to our weekly Serious Savings email to get all the best deals. Link in bio. So what do you think of our range of Renegade Industrial Wheelbarrows? Let us know in the comments.